virtually launched our school on April 14th, 2020. The challenges we faced for conducting online classes were network issues, technical issues, and how are we going to convert a real-time class into impactful online classes. We chose the best network possible for our teachers to conduct the classes from home. We chose WebEx as the platform because it is user-friendly, and we created online lesson plan, online feedback form, and online observation form in order to maintain academic excellence. We also conducted PTM through virtual mode, and we are heading towards our online assessment. I'm happy to announce that we are creating a renaissance in education.
मछली जल की रानी है, उसका जीवन पानी है। हाथ लगाओगे डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे मर जाएगी। बाय बाय। I enjoy my online classes a lot. I learn something new every single day. I like drawing, I like painting, I like dancing. And I am enjoying the online classes and learning new things. I learn by reading and writing and watching videos. I love my online classes and I love my teachers. And I like to do music, arts and craft, and sports and Hindi. Online classes are really exciting with lots and lots of fun activities. I enjoy smart work because online classes really work. We shall overcome someday.
The online classes is very successful.
The teachers are talented, they are well trained, and they have been able to maintain effective teaching and learning session despite the challenges thrown by the online format.
To imagine teaching courses like music, crayon, art and craft, and for that matter, all the subjects concerned through online would have been very difficult for anybody. However, the teachers of BDW International School have proven that they are truly highly skilled, efficient, and professional in handling their courses.
My daughter, besides learning a lot, looks forward to her online classes, and that is very, very commendable. The teachers are a truly wonderful bunch. You can see that they genuinely love their children, and the classes are very interactive. All I can say is that the school is doing a great job at teaching, and that is all a parent can ask for in this difficult time.
I congratulate all of you, and trust me, I'm saying this with utmost sincerity, that I'm very humbly thanking all of you for the fantastic, outstanding work that each one of you, teachers and school leaders, are doing in this noble task of nation building. I wish you all the very best. Jai Hind.